Not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Today I am going to share you about how you can analyze your on-premise GPO group policy object and import into the Microsoft Intune, so that you can analyze the group policy and migrate them into the Intune or modern management, right? Because if you are moving from on-premise to the cloud management and using Microsoft Intune, so you must be aware, you must have the GPO in your environment. So you must be looking for to migrate those GPO into Microsoft Intune. So where you can go and find these, right? So if this is Microsoft Intune endpoint portal and Intune portal, if you just scroll down, right, or if you click on by platform by Windows, right, if you just scroll down and you see here under the policy below script group policy analytics. Okay, so here you see use this group policy analytics to analyze your on-premise GPU and determine your level, right, of modern management support. So you need to export the GPU from your on-premise Active Directory, right, for using the MMC, right, from where you can check, and then import to begin analysis, right? If you want to learn more, just click on learn more and you see the options to import here, right? And you also see the options to export. And once you import there, then it will show here, it will automatically, Intune will automatically analyze how many GPU you can ready for the migration and how many GPU is actually deprecated and not supported. So let's learn more. I just click on learn more and you see this is in public preview mode, right? So it's not live, but you can try using that, I mean, in just for the testing purpose, and see how it's work and how how GPU analytics, group policy analytics compare and analyze from your on-premise GPU, right? So what does it will do, this tool, this analyze your on-premise GPU. You need to export the GPU from your Active Directory on-premise, and it should be in XML format, and it should be small, it's very small MB, like more than 3 MB or something like that, right? So the setting that you supported the cloud base, right? So the deprecated setting which are actually setting not available to migrate, right? And then you can migrate your imported GPU into the setting catalog policy. So you can create the set GPU from the Intune if it's supported. So this is very good, and this feature apply to Windows 10 and 11, right? So once you analyze your GPU, you must know how you can do. If you see here, so how I will show you here in the Microsoft admin portal, right? You have to sign in with Intune administrator role and security baseline, right? And from the endpoint security role, you must be a security baseline permission to do this, right? And this feature is public preview mode. So how you can export the GPU as an XML file, as I mentioned, right? So on your on-premise computer, most of you already know, or if you're not an AD guy, Active Directory expert guy, you can go to the group policy management using gpmc.msc. If you run on Active Directory if you open the run command and type gpmc.msc, it will open and expand the domain name and expand the group policy object to see all the available GPU. Right click on the GPU you want to migrate, right? You have multiple GPU, you just click on any of the GPU and click on save report. Select an easily accessible folder where you want to export and select the XML file, and it will save on your desktop. Make sure, that's I mentioned, make sure that the file is less than 4 MB, right, and has a proper Unicode coding. So if any file, if your GPU is more than 4 MB, then it will give error. So that's why if you have thousands of GPU in your environment, then you have to export each by each, and it should be less than 4 MB in size. So if you exported the file greater than 4 MB, then reduce the number of the setting in the group policy object, and then just import, right? As I mentioned, just go to the select import and XML file. So you just click on import, and then import the GPO report.xml file from your wherever you have stored it, right, from your desktop. And all these like whether Active Directory, MDM support, and whenever the Microsoft product team make changes to the mapping in Intune, the percentage under the MDM automatically update the reflect. So these are, you can see, you can import more GPO for analysis, right, and you can also export in the CSV format as well. So these are the actually you can see, and then you can assign and target through the supported CSP. Like we have the group policy analytics that can parse to the following CSP, like you can create a BitLocker, firewall, app locker, group policy, all this, and you can export, review all this whether it's supported or not supported. There is no issue as well, so you must be aware group policy analytics tool is only support non-ADMX setting in the English language. If you import GPO that is setting other than the English, then your MDM support percentage will inaccurate. So this is no issue. So I hope you learn how you can import the GPO XML file and from your on-premise AD, and analyze and get ready to migrate your GPO into the Microsoft Intune. Till then, thank you, have a good day, and bye bye.